If you have a computer with good internet connection, or you have a phone that can install a Windows remote desktop to mimic what a PC can do, and if you don't mind making 5% of your capital in less than 1 hour, then this video is for you. This Binance Triangular Arbitrage Bot scans through Binance API and searches for triangular arbitrage opportunities and is able to find unlimited signals daily. Now you may ask, what's triangular arbitrage? A triangular arbitrage opportunity involves one taking advantage of the price difference between different cryptocurrency pairs on the same exchange. We'll be doing a live demonstration in this very video, so just stick around with me to the end of this video. This bot shows us all the triangular arbitrage opportunities currently on Binance as we speak. They range between 1% to 10% profits. Hope you guys can also see the opportunities for 5% and 7% already showing on your screen. Columns 1, 2, 3, or steps A, B, and C makes up the triangle through which we would be performing this arbitrage. The first column, step A, tells us our base trading pair, which is USDT. Our funds must initially be in USDT on Binance. Then we go over to the pair on step C, which is the pair or token we are to buy with our USDT. Then we move over to step B to sell the pair we just bought from step C, which would be we swapping the coin to BTC, BNB, or Ethereum. Then we get our funds back to USDT again, and then we keep going in that triangle over and over again. So if you're using $100 or less, you can take trades between 3% and above. But if you have higher capital, you can also take trades of 2% signals. When you find a good opportunity, you can just pause the bot by clicking on your mouse once, and then you do the same to have it continue running. Now let's pick one of these trades. This particular one named FIO has been showing us 5% profit for a while now, so let's take it. So now we move over to our exchange Binance. These arbitrage opportunities are taken on the spot market, not the futures market. So here on the spot market, we're going to search for the pair FIO/USDT. So here it is. I have deposited $100 for this particular demonstration. You can use any capital of your choice, guys. So with this capital, we should get these units of FIO tokens. Now I'm going to use a market order for this first order and first side of the triangle. So we'll buy the pair FIO/USDT on a market order. Now here are the units of FIO I've been given. That's 5,125 units of FIO token. Now the next side of the triangle will be for me to sell my FIO tokens to BTC. So I'll search for the pairs FIO BTC. Now for this trade, I'll be using a limit order for maximum profit. Now I'll set my order to the first ask price on the order book, just the first one there, so as to be one of the first persons to have my order get filled. Now I know your first question would be, why didn't we use market order? So don't worry guys, I'll tell you why we didn't use market order before the end of this video, so stay with me to the end. Now note the value of BTC we'll be receiving when our order gets filled. That's 0.001025. Now I hit sell. All right, that's my order in the first position there. So now let's wait for a short while to have our order get filled.
A few moments later.
Now after a few minutes, voila, our order has been filled. We now have 0.001025 BTC, just exactly what we were expecting. We don't have any FIO/USDT anymore. Now let me show you the order history, because I know your next question may be, how long did this particular order take to get filled? So now let me show you everything. Now here is the order history. Now we click on it to show us all the other details. Now check this out. The trade was taken at exactly 10:13 a.m. okay, just about 40 minutes later. That's awesome. Now let's go on to see the value of our BTC. We'll now go back to the spot market and search for BTC/USDT. So here we are. Now check this out. We have approximately 5% profit on this trade. So 5% in just 40 minutes. I think it's worth it, guys. If I should take multiple trades a day with this bot, since it gives multiple signals, unlimited signals daily, imagine repeating this process again and again. And let's assume I am only interested in taking 10 trades in a day. That's 50% profit. That's incredible, guys. So however, a quick disclaimer, guys, not all trades will take such a long time. Some trades could take a a shorter period of time like 15 minutes, 10 minutes. Other trades could take a longer period of time like a couple of hours. So but the idea is to take many trades as possible as the market presents to us. So if you have a bigger capital and you can split your funds into 10 different parts or 20 different parts so as to be able to take different trades at the same time and just watch how each of those trades close in profit one after the other, that would be awesome. Now to the question you asked from the beginning, why didn't we use a market order? So finding market order arbitrage opportunities is now very rare, guys. With the saturation of most of the exchanges, especially Binance, it's almost impossible to find profitable market order arbitrage opportunities because several other companies and firms using auto trading bots would have seen and taken these arbitrage opportunities with millions of dollars and closed the gaps even ever before you saw it. So guys, most of the people you see promoting market order arbitrage opportunities with up to 3% profit per trade would most probably be deceiving you. So be careful guys, be careful guys. For me, these limit order opportunities are more realistic and still very profitable and less competitive. So this strategy is altogether safe, profitable and risk-free. So it doesn't take up to 2 minutes for you to find these signals from the bot and to take the trades on your exchange. So you can afterwards go on to do other things and come back later to see your order get filled and then continue to rinse and repeat the process. Repeat the trades as many times as possible. But if this is still not your thing, you can still check out any of our other strategies like the two-way trading strategy, the coin listing arbitrage strategy, the futures strategy, crypto future strategy, forex trading strategies and signals, and many other strategies we have on this channel. I'll drop all the links to all that I've said so far in the description of this video. So that will be all for this video, guys. Like the video if you gained any form of value, subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already, and do well to join our Telegram channel where we share useful information and updates about this strategy and all other strategies. All links, I repeat, will be in the description of this video. Best regards, guys. Bye for now.